So did we enjoy today?
Yes.
Louder?
Yes.
For all role players. I have been given two roles today. One is the evaluator and of course the one is my closing address. This year, first I would like to wish you a very happy new year. And I am proud to be a part of COG and to be the president of COG. And to have such a, we had a ExCom meeting just before our regular meeting, and this is to inform you that we have actually achieved our target. We were 18 members when we started, and now we are 23, and we are again adding another 4. So probably by end of the year we should be about 30 members plus. So that's going to be a very good sign for COG. Last year we had participated in contest for evaluation where Madam Toastmaster Alexandra and Sushil had participated, and we had done some very good work there. And this year we are going to participate in all the 4 categories, that is international, humor, different topics, and of course we have speeches. So that's going to be a thing, and we'll be shortly getting some more information on the emails, what is going to be the pattern. We are going to have an area contest in the month of February, so I think we should all participate in the March.
Paddy,
the club is going to be in February, so February.
The area is March 27.
27. So we would like
I have to remind him it's your area.
Qualified for this. So that's about planning for the contest. A general evaluator's role is like to have an eagle eye view on the meeting, and like I should always say a fat fly. Thank God for my resolution, I don't say a fat fly anymore. A fly on the wall, and he takes a view of the meeting. So let's talk about the meeting today and what went well, what didn't go well, what could have been done better. First and foremost, why I said that we need to have a big round of applause for the role players is that we had this meeting scheduled for 30th of December, and for some reason we were not able to do the meeting. We shifted it, 23rd of December, and we shifted it for 13th of January. And we kept the same role players. So bearing the fact a couple of role players changes, including the KMOD, everything remained the same. So that is first of all a very good achievement. That shows the commitment of the members of City of Gold, and which I am really proud of to be a president of this club. That was one thing. Today's meeting we started on time. If you see, we were towards the break, we were okay, but slightly afterwards we got dragged and we overshoot the time. That is something which in Toastmasters meeting we don't allow. We need to be on time. All the role players did excellent job. We start with the gate master. With all COG people were gate masters, so everybody was there on time. I mean, ExCom members definitely were 1 hour before, so we were able to greet the guest. Then we had a very good opening by the Surgeon of Arms. He ensured that we had proper lighting, proper air conditioner, the space was proper, she gave all the right directions. I find she does this job very well, and every time she adds icing to it, which is the Toastmasters mission, which we will discuss today. For benefit of guests, Toastmasters mission is to provide a mutually supportive and a positive learning environment where each and every member gets the opportunity to learn his leadership skills and communication skills, which in turn fosters personal growth and self-confidence. So that is why we are all here, and that is what we try to gain every meeting. So basically, every meeting we go back home with some more experience, we add to it. No one is a born speaker, but this is the place where we actually learn to speak, and I firmly endorse that. So that was the only thing which was missing. Other than that, she welcomed the guests and excellent. And we had the VP Education who did a very good job of addressing. I didn't come normally, the president addresses, but I didn't want to, I didn't want to do the closing and the evaluation, so I wanted to come and stay. And we also wanted to address that we are definitely very serious to play this contest. So please, we require your support, and I'm reiterating this. We need full attendance. Please do bring guests so that they know what is all about. It's not ExCom is one thing, but I feel that everybody is ExCom here, and that is why we have made this WhatsApp group and the phone interact. So it's basically we need to realize the importance of having more members in the club, and try to make our banners flying high. Talking about the project, we learned a very good word, very easy to understand. You gave a very good example, and I'm sure I will be using it more often. I personally counted about 20 times it was used in round robin as well as in the couple of times in the speeches as excellent job. Round robin was good, everybody participated, and that was a very good thing. And about the project speeches, of course, Sushil, you reminded me of Mumbai. Definitely, when you said in the morning that you're going to talk something which is very close to my heart, yes, definitely. And probably I had to do a resolution here to reduce weight. If I was probably in Mumbai with a lot of things, I would have got the weight loss just by traveling in train. So that was one thing. Then Toastmaster Paddy, of course, you always come with surprises, and you taught us what chocolates can do to you, how to carefully choose chocolates, all that things. So that's very good, because now when I look at chocolate, I remember you. Earlier it used to be cigars, now it will be chocolate. Toastmaster Akbar, I would like to congratulate you, and you were the best. In the sense, I would not have ever had the guts to do a milestone speech in a different club. We are, typically we are very protective about the way we speak, and also I am always comfortable to know the audience, because the audience is, like family members. But you did a very good thing, and there was not a single member from your Discovery Garden to cheer you up, and I mean, we really appreciate, and it's an honor to have you. Please do come again, and you have done it.
Thank you.
That's what I want to say. Excellent job. Of course, the speeches were good, the evaluations were even better. In fact, K.M. Balaji, Madam Toastmaster Alexandra, Toastmaster Gangadhar, we have one of the best teams, and I'm sure if we are there in the contest, I'm sure this time we're going to get something back home. I'm very sure about this. We did our bit very well in the ICDC. With the last time when we participated, Madam Toastmaster Savita, Toastmaster Sandeep Sarkar, and Sushil Kolangde. I'm sure this is the way City of Code is going to go. I would definitely like to have a special vote of thanks for Toastmaster Nelson, because first of all he took a place of Madam Toastmaster Monica, who could not come because she was not well, and on top of it he has given us something which is very good, because we always talk about having contests. Even if we are planning to have these two contests in February, to now have a simulation contest, this is very good. So the complete eye-opener. And I think people who are new Toastmasters definitely know how this contest happens. So, this is very good to take back home. So, you've seen people, all the 4 speakers, all the 5 speakers, sorry. Whether it was Toastmaster Balaji, Toastmaster Gangadhar, Madam Toastmaster Savita, the ever enthusiastic Madam Toastmaster Ranjini, Toastmaster Guru, you were excellent. And the way you attacked the topic was beautiful. I mean, I really appreciate it. We still talk about table topics was the thing which actually got me to Toastmasters, right? How come with Paddy, I will keep saying this, and I was actually dumbfounded when Toastmaster Jaydev had asked me a question, and he was actually putting me to go ahead. But this is the way it is going to be. I mean, if we need to, if we master the art of table topics, I think that is the best way one can learn public speaking. So that's about it. I have that plus my closing. So I have.
No, this is for general evaluation. 30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining?
Yeah.
Okay, over and all, it was good. I mean, the last one, the timer, I would definitely like to thank Madam Toastmaster Savita. Oh, she picked up the right.
Now you're thanking me.
As you tagged, she put up the red light now.
Fine, I mean, really stepping into the last minute role, this is what City of Code is